Hi everyone, welcome to Moss Studies. Today, I am going to tell you about an app that will improve your WhatsApp security. You may be facing problems when your family members or friends take your phone and open your WhatsApp. There may be some important or private messages which you don't want the others to see them. So today, this app will lock some of the private chats of yours, and nobody can open and read them, except you. Okay, let's get started.
Hello everyone, if you are watching my videos for the first time, then please press this red button to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon also, such that you get notified for the latest videos I upload.
First, open the Play Store, and in the search bar, type Locker for WhatsApp. Open the first one, which I am selecting, and install it. After installation, open the app. It will ask to create the 4-digit password. Create it. It will ask for email ID, then press Save. Enable the accessibility permissions for the app. And come back to the app. Initially, you have to add the chats, which should be locked. So, press the plus symbol, then add the names which you don't want the others to look at. Here, I will lock the first 2 chats, and you can see the lock symbol added to the selected chats. Now, come back totally. Now, whenever anybody opens the WhatsApp and try to open the chats, they will be asked to give the password. That's it, your WhatsApp chats are safe now, and nobody can open these chats to read. If you want to remove the lock, simply open the Locker app and press the lock symbol to unlock the password. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any doubts, please comment below, and I will come up with the solution for you. Thanks for watching.